Hi, welcome to TeluguOne Food. I am Chef Suraj. Today I am going to show how to make custard cookies. We need butter, custard powder, flour and icing sugar. First we put the butter. And then add icing sugar. And mix well for creaming method. Nicely mix and making cream. That's why we said this is the creaming method. Now add flour, custard flour and mix well. Now we are taking the mixture from the bowl and we will make the cookies. Now dough is ready and see the consistency of the dough. Now I am going to bake preheated oven